What if you could build a chatbot from your own data? Not random internet answers, but responses grounded in your documents. That is exactly what we are building in this practical section. This is where generative AI becomes real. We are moving from theory to building something similar to ChatGPT, but focused on your own private knowledge. This is one of the most important real-world use cases, called RAG Chatbot, used in companies for search, support, and internal assistance. So understanding this gives you real industry exposure. This section is all about practical learning. We will connect all concepts and see them working together, step by step, in a real system. Our goal is simple: build a document-based chatbot. It should read files and answer questions from them, not from general training data. Large language models like ChatGPT are trained on massive public data. That is why they can answer general questions without seeing your documents. But they struggle with private or custom data, things like company docs or internal knowledge, which are not publicly available. So if you ask about company policy or internal data, you do not want generic answers. You want answers from your own documents. This solution solves two problems using RAG approach. Answers come from your data only, and large language model gets access to your knowledge. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. We retrieve relevant content first, then generate answers using that context. Before building anything, we need to understand the system architecture, what components are involved, and how they connect. This is critical in real projects. Everything starts with document sources: PDFs, reports, policies, or knowledge files. This becomes our knowledge base. We break documents into smaller pieces called chunks. Instead of sending large documents at once, this improves processing and accuracy. Chunking helps preserve meaning and context. Smaller pieces are easier to search and match, which improves final answers. Next, we convert text into embeddings, numerical representation of meaning that machines can understand. Embeddings enable semantic understanding. Similar meaning, even with different words, can be matched correctly. These embeddings are stored in a vector database, a system designed to store and search meaning instead of plain text. So ingestion is complete chunks to embeddings to vector store. Your knowledge is now searchable and ready for questions. Now comes the user question flow. User asks something in natural language, and system finds the best answer. The question is also converted into embeddings, so it can be compared with stored data in a consistent format. Then we perform similarity search, finding the closest matching chunks based on meaning, not keywords. System returns top matching results. Not just one, but multiple relevant chunks ranked by similarity. These results become context for large language model. So the model answers based on them, not external knowledge. We guide the model using prompt engineering, telling it how to answer and what to use. This controls output quality. Full flow is upload, search, generate, answer. Document to answer pipeline in a structured way. This is widely used in real-world applications. Support bots, knowledge assistants, enterprise search, across industries. For developers, this builds generative AI thinking. Understanding system design, not just tools, is the real skill. For non-tech roles, this builds use case understanding, helping you identify opportunities and communicate better. RAG quality depends on design decisions, chunking, retrieval, prompts, and data, not just code. This is not just a chatbot. It is a core generative AI pattern used across multiple solutions in modern systems. You can extend this into advanced AI systems, multi-docs, memory, agents, and co-pilots. Endless possibilities. Focus on the core architecture. Tools will change over time, but concepts will stay. Revise concepts like RAG fine-tuning, context engineering, vector database from previous videos before moving ahead. These are your real foundation. Now you understand a complete RAG chatbot flow, from document to final answer in a clear, structured way. This gives you strong clarity for generative AI interviews. If you can explain this flow, you are already ahead. Like, subscribe, and keep learning with Tech by Sketch.